Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning English is Easy. My name is Tom.
And I'm Anna. Happy New Year! We are so happy you are here with us.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. It really helps us, and it helps you keep learning English.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share. Today we have a very funny topic.
Today we are talking about New Year's resolutions we never keep.
You know, those big plans we make every year, and then we stop after 1 week.
Or after one day.
Or after 1 hour.
Exactly. So in this podcast, we will talk about different resolutions, easy English phrases, and real-life examples.
And you can just relax, listen, and enjoy. You don't need a notebook, you don't need to study hard. Just listen.
Let's start with one very classic New Year's resolution. This year, I will wake up early.
Oh, yes. Every December 31st, people say, next year, I will wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I will be amazing. I will be productive.
Then January 1st comes. The alarm rings at 5 a.m. And what happens?
You say, New Year starts tomorrow. And you go back to sleep.
I did this last year. I wanted to wake up at 5:30 a.m.
How long did you keep this resolution?
One day, only January 2nd. On January 3rd, I woke up at 9 a.m. and I said, well, 9 a.m. is also morning.
I know that feeling. I always think a new year will magically change me. New year, new me.
But in reality, it's more New Year, same bed.
And same snooze button.
So let's talk about some useful English phrases here. Wake up early. Set an alarm. Hit the snooze button.
For example, I want to wake up early, but I always hit the snooze button.
Or, I set an alarm for 6 a.m., but I woke up at 8 a.m.
That's me every day.
Another resolution we never keep is, this year, I will eat healthy.
Yes! On January 1st, the fridge is full of vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, salad, tomatoes.
And no chocolate.
No pizza.
No ice cream.
No fun.
You tell yourself, I will only eat salad. I will drink only water. I will be a healthy person.
Then, on January 3rd, your friend sends you a message. Hey, do you want to go get burgers tonight?
And you think for 1 second, well, I can start my diet tomorrow.
And then tomorrow becomes next week. And next week becomes next year.
So what useful phrases do we have? Eat healthy, go on a diet, cut down on sugar, give up junk food.
For example, I want to cut down on sugar, but I love chocolate.
Or, I will go on a diet after this pizza.
That is a very dangerous sentence.
Another dangerous sentence is, just one cookie.
Because it's never just one cookie.
So listen to these common sentences. I'm on a diet. I'm trying to eat healthy. I want to give up fast food.
But our actions say, I'm on a diet of fries and cake.
Another big New Year's resolution is, this year, I will go to the gym.
Ah, yes, the gym. In January, the gym is full. You can't even find a free treadmill.
And in March, it's empty. Only one lonely person on a bike.
That lonely person is probably Tom.
No, in March, I'm at home on the sofa, eating chips.
So, English phrases: join a gym, work out, get in shape, lose weight.
For example, I joined a gym, but I never go.
Or, I want to get in shape this year.
Workout means to do exercise, usually in a gym.
Many people say, I will work out 3 times a week.
But in reality, I worked out 3 times in the whole year.
I remember one year, I bought very expensive gym clothes, new shoes, new leggings, new top.
And
I wore them one time. Then I wore them at home to watch TV. They became my Netflix clothes.
that's the problem. Sometimes we prepare more than we act. We buy everything, but we don't use it.
Another resolution that we often break is, this year I will save money.
Yes. I will not spend money on stupid things. We all say that.
Then we see a new phone or new shoes, and suddenly we need them.
You say, this is not stupid. This is important for my life.
I need this new phone to be productive.
I need these shoes for my mental health.
I need this pizza because I am on a diet of happiness.
So useful phrases: save money, spend less, stop wasting money, stick to a budget.
For example, I am trying to save money, but I always buy things online.
Or, I want to stick to my budget, but I love shopping.
Stick to means to follow, to continue with your plan. So stick to a budget means you follow your money plan.
Many people also say, this year I will learn a new skill, or I will learn a new language.
That is a good resolution. Many of you are doing this now. You are learning English.
And we are very happy you are here with us. But we know sometimes it is hard to continue.
Yes, we start very strong in January. We study every day.
Then in February, we study sometimes.
In March, we say, I will study tomorrow.
In April, we say, what is English?
So useful phrases, learn a new skill, pick up a new language, practice every day, sign up for a course.
For example, I signed up for an English course, but I never joined the live classes.
Or, I want to pick up a new language this year.
Pick up here means to learn in a relaxed way, not in a very serious way at school.
Speaking of learning languages, if you want to practice more English with us, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Yes, that way you can keep your Learn English resolution, and we can continue to make fun and easy podcasts for you.
Another popular resolution is, this year I will read more books.
People imagine themselves reading every evening with a cup of tea, being very intelligent,
They buy 5 big books in January.
and they read 10 pages.
Then they watch 10 seasons of a TV show.
You say, I will read one book every month.
Then you read 1 book every 5 years.
Useful phrases: read more, finish a book, start a book, put the book down.
For example, I started this book in January, but I never finished it.
Or, I put the book down and never picked it up again.
Another resolution. This year, I will travel more.
I love this one. You say, I will visit 5 countries this year.
Then you visit the supermarket, the office, and your sofa.
You Google beautiful places, you watch travel videos, you follow travel bloggers.
But your passport stays in the drawer.
Useful phrases: travel more, visit new places, plan a trip, book a flight.
For example, I planned a trip, I didn't book the flight.
Or, I want to visit new places this year.
Honestly, sometimes travel is expensive. So the resolution becomes, this year I will travel in my mind.
Yes, with YouTube videos.
Another funny resolution is, this year I will be more organized.
People buy new planners, notebooks, colored pens, stickers.
They write everything: work, exercise, study, meals.
The planner looks beautiful. For 3 days.
Then they forget it on the desk, under a pile of papers.
Useful phrases: be organized, make a schedule, plan my week, clean my room.
For example, I want to be more organized, but my desk is always messy.
Or, I made a schedule, but I didn't follow it.
Another classic resolution is, this year, I will spend less time on my phone.
Oh, yes. We say, I will spend less time on social media. I will live in the real world.
Then we open one app and suddenly it's 3 hours later.
You think, I will check just one message. Then you watch 27 videos, 58 photos, and read 100 comments.
And you don't remember why you opened the app.
Useful phrases: spend less time on my phone, scroll social media, waste time online.
For example, I want to spend less time on my phone, but I always scroll social media at night.
Or, I waste a lot of time online.
Here is another one. This year, I will be more positive.
That sounds nice. People say, I will not complain. I will be grateful. I will smile more.
Then the first problem appears. You miss the bus. It rains. Your coffee spills.
And you say, okay, I will be positive next year.
Useful phrases: be positive, stay optimistic, complain less, be grateful.
For example, I want to complain less and be more positive.
Or, I try to stay optimistic, but sometimes it's difficult.
So why do we make all these resolutions and then break them?
I think sometimes we make very big, very difficult resolutions.
Yes, like I will go to the gym every day, or I will never eat sugar again.
It's too much. Maybe we need small resolutions.
For example, instead of I will wake up at 5 a.m. every day, maybe say I will wake up 15 minutes earlier.
Or instead of, I will read 30 books, say, I will read for 10 minutes each day.
Instead of I will never use my phone, say I will not use my phone for 30 minutes before bed.
Small steps are easier to keep, and you feel better because you succeed.
Also, sometimes our resolutions are not really for us. They are for other people.
Yes, like I want to look good on social media, or I want to impress people.
But if you make a resolution that is really important for you, it is easier to continue.
For example, if you learn English because you really want to travel, or study abroad, or understand your favorite songs, then it feels good.
So maybe one realistic resolution can be, I will listen to one English podcast every week.
That is a great idea, and we can help with that. Our podcast is here for you.
And we promise our resolution is, we will continue to make fun and easy content for you this year.
And this is one resolution we will keep.
So let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases from today. New Year's resolution: wake up early, hit the snooze button.
Eat healthy, go on a diet, cut down on sugar, give up junk food.
Join a gym, work out, get in shape, lose weight.
Save money, spend less, stick to a budget, stop wasting money.
Learn a new skill, pick up a new language, practice every day, sign up for a course.
Read more, finish a book, put the book down.
Travel more, visit new places, plan a trip, book a flight.
Be organized, make a schedule, plan my week, clean my room.
Spend less time on my phone, scroll social media, waste time online.
Be positive, stay optimistic, complain less, be grateful.
And also some common funny sentences like, I will start tomorrow. Just one cookie. New year, new me.
Or maybe more realistic. New year, still me, but trying.
If you are trying, that is already good. You don't have to be perfect.
So maybe this year, we can all make one small resolution that we can really keep.
For example, I will watch one English video each week. Or, I will learn 5 new words each week.
And if you want help with that, remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Your support helps us grow, and it helps more people learn English in a fun and easy way.
Tell your friends, your classmates, your family. Maybe you can listen together.
And now we want to hear from you.
In the comments, write, what is one New Year's resolution you never keep? And what is one small resolution you want to keep this year?
We will read your comments, and maybe we will talk about them in a future podcast.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Happy New Year again. We hope this year brings you joy, health, and good English progress.
Remember, learning English is easy when you enjoy it.
And we hope you enjoyed your time with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.